Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 84 full ounce cat water fountain with a wireless pump. Alright, so today we have received our pet water fountain. This is a 2.5 large capacity design. For one pet it can last up to 10 days. Two pets can last up to 2 days. You can see the water fountain here at the top. It looks like a little well. You have a max and a minimum line for the water. And on the back side you got some product information. You have it in English, French, Chinese, Russian, Italian, and then you have other ones right here, Japanese, Korean. So this one here is super easy to clean. It's got a transparent window design. The remaining quality of water can be confirmed at a glance. So if it's normal, it will be blue. If it's got lack of water, it will turn red. So right here is the instructions manual. This one here just tells you all the parts on the product descriptions and on how to use it. So this one does have a wireless water pump. It is wireless power supply. The great thing about this, it also has a filter. So this does come with a filter for each side. So now we're just going to dive into the box and you can see that this is what the bottom looks like. This is the very bottom. This is where you'll connect your USB into your Type-C. This right here will charge it. So we're just going to remove these little stickers here on the side. This will expose the inside. This does have a double nozzle drinking water design, which is widening the water tray, which allows the cats to drink without stress. So you can water up to 2 cats. So each side is for a cat. So down here below, you have some more accessories. So we're just going to lift this up. You do have the power supply in this box. And on the other side, you have the other waterfall spout. And then here is the filter. So you can filter out the water while your cat's drinking. The great thing about this is that it does keep the water moving and it doesn't make it stagnant. So this is the wireless pump that goes here at the very bottom. It is truly wireless, so you don't need anything. All you got to do is just push this in there, pop this in there, and then the fountain on the top. And then here is your Type-C charging into your power plug. So this is a nylon braided, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. And you can see that it is Type-C right here at the top, and then here is your standard wall plug. So it turns from a USB to a C. So this is the water compartment. This one doesn't go in, you have to put the plastic one in first. This one here is just to clean it out. So if you want to clean out the spouts as well as the pump in the bottom. So we're just going to pop this spout on in here. Just pop it, turn it. And it should lock right in. And then now we got it in. It looks like a little whale. One side looks like the head, the other side looks like it's the fin. So this is where the water will be coming out of it. So now we're going to grab the other plastic part. You can see they got little stubs right here that will lock it in place. So we're just going to put this piece on, and then this goes on top. So that's the top right here that the cats will be drinking from. The water fountain will come out from the top of these orange little things, and then here is your water reservoir. So right here we're going to connect our power plug, which is Type-C, into our power wall outlet. So we're just going to easily push it in and then connect it, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So basically the base is the charging port that will charge this base. It does not work unless it's completely turned on. So right here we got the wireless pump. It has a little notch at the end. It connects right into here, so you can see that there's a little cutout right there. So it just sets right in there. Then you get the other part, which is right here. You pop it in this side. The big side goes up. Now we're going to grab our plastic top. Then we're going to grab our filters. So right here is where it'll go into there. But if you want to put your filter in, this is where you'll put your filter in. So you'll take the top part off. You grab this filter. It goes one on each side, kind of like this, but you won't put it on here. You'll just put it on the bottom of this part. So you put one on each side. So whenever the water goes down, it is filtering through this filters. And then you'll just put this top back on. And then we'll go ahead and add some water to the water reservoir. And then we can see it turned on. So this is the base. Then we're going to see that this has feet at the bottom. And then now we're going to connect our Type-C charging port. So it just got a wire that just pulls down. And it has a little tab so it locks in place. So we're just putting that in there. Gonna push these down. So now that I got them in here, you can see that it doesn't affect it moving around because it's all the way around. And then now we're going to take our type C into our wall plug, and then we're going to plug this into the wall, and then we're going to put the base back onto the water fountain. So this is the charger. It does not run unless you have it plugged in. So now I'm just going to go add some water. Once I plug this in, it will flash red. That's basically saying that there is no water in the reservoir, that you need to fill it up. So what I'm going to do is put some water in. So now that I got some water in, you can see that it is blue. So when this blue turns red, that's basically telling you that it needs more water. So when it turns blue, that basically lets you know that it is completely full in the reservoir. You can see the waterfall, how it's trickling the water down. You can see that it actually trickles it down, so it keeps the water moving and it doesn't let it sit to be stagnant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my light so you can see what it looks like at night. So you can see this is what it looks like at night. So if you're out at nighttime and you see that this turns red, that lets you know that you need to refill this up. Once it's blue, you can see that it is completely full. So if you're looking for a nice cat waterfall, I would highly recommend checking this one out. It's super easy to clean and it is easy to put together.